for lubing your front end on the Volkswagen, you're going to need to go ahead, get your grease gun, and clean the end. I'll go ahead and pump a little bit out just to make sure that it is clean. I get just enough coming out to not have to worry about dripping it, but it gets the dirt that has sat on the end. These caps never stay on. These are junk. But go ahead and squeeze just a little bit out so that you don't get any dirt down into the grease. And then let's move under the car. I'll show you what to do. So coming out of the car, we need to clean the outside of these grease zerks. Wipe away any grease that's, any old grease that's on there, along with any dirt. There's the bottom one, and there's one on the top. Alright, okay, so with the grease zerks cleaned off, let's go ahead, pop that on, start pumping in some grease. 5, 7, 8. Alright, so you can see the grease started coming out here. She's done. She's full. Let's go ahead and get that off. Get that cleaned. And let's wipe away that grease that doesn't make a mess on the floor. Now, we're going to need to move over to the upper beam. But I can't get under there because it's too low to the ground. Sixteen, 17, 18, 20. All right, it's coming out. And we move on to the other side. All right, let's clean these grease zerks. Oh, I got a little bit of grass on there. Three, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. All right, this one took 26. I think 20 was about where the other one was. 21. And I dropped a little bit on the floor. And that's it. Front beam is greased. My other Volkswagen has grease zerks on the ball joints. This one does not. So I guess it doesn't matter because it doesn't really need it. But that's it. Obviously used jack stands. I didn't use jack stands on this one. I used just floor jack, but I only had one side and I wasn't underneath the car. So really still was pretty safe, but if you're gonna have to crawl under it all, really would recommend go ahead using jack stands. I just had my arm in there, and if it falls, worst case scenario, you know, might hurt my arm a little bit, but it's not a life and death situation. But that's it.